Hi, I'm Mike Capizzola from the Investing Channel, and you're watching Pink Diamond, the show where we help you find the diamonds in the rough of the pink sheet and small cap market. This week, we're looking into the world of sensors and detection equipment, where cutting-edge technology can be used to identify possible sources of energy that might otherwise have gone undiscovered. The company in question is OTC-listed NXT Energy Solutions Incorporated that trades under the ticker NSFDF. That extended ticker code is a clue that the company hails from foreign shores, and indeed, NXT Energy Solutions is a Canadian company based in Calgary. The business is developing and testing a quantum-scale sensor technology which is capable of detecting deviations in gravity fields and can be associated with oil and gas reservoirs and/or potential sources of geothermal energy. The sensors form the firm's SFD survey systems, which can be mounted on aircraft to allow airborne surveys of prospective drilling sites. The SFD system is designed to be environmentally friendly for use in both on- and offshore locations and to be deployed quickly and cost-effectively. NXT Energy Solutions recently provided an update on the development of its geothermal sensor technology known as SFD-GT, which is being partly funded by the National Research Council of Canada's Industrial Research Assistance Program. NXT has tested the sensors under different operating parameters associated with the subsurface conditions in which geothermal energy might well be found. The results of that testing were positive and demonstrated that the development of a dedicated SFD-GT sensor system can now be accelerated. This will allow NXT Energy to undertake commercial ventures with the technology in the near to medium term. Geothermal energy is an underexploited resource that has the potential to generate between 3 and 5% of the world's power by 2050, using superheated steam to drive turbines to generate electricity or to directly heat domestic and commercial properties. The market in geothermal energy is forecast to be worth some $6.80 billion by 2026. However, it could grow far more quickly than that if it can attract increased levels of investment and interest from governments who are looking to reduce their nation's up-carbon footprints. NXT Energy has also recently secured patents on its technologies in India, bringing the total number of patents that the company holds globally to 45. Speaking of these developments, George Lizakaz, president and CEO of NXT Energy, said that, quote, "On the business development side, hydrocarbon survey opportunities continue to progress well in our core areas of focus in Africa, Mexico, Asia, and in South America." He added that, quote, "We are in discussions with multiple geothermal companies about providing SFD services to them. For these reasons, we are optimistic about the remainder of 2021 and will remain focused on contract execution in order to deliver value to our shareholders." NXT reported Q2 2021 results on August 12th. And the company recorded survey revenue of 3.14 million Canadian dollars and income per share of 2 Canadian cents. The survey revenue figure showed dramatic growth over the comparable period in 2020, when the firm generated just 136,566 Canadian dollars in income. The company has also received a 1 million Canadian dollar loan from the Business Development Bank of Canada to help it develop its technologies and expand the business further. The positive news flow has been reflected in the company's share price performance, with the stock gaining more than 43% over the last 3 months, posting 11 new highs on the way through. The stock price has gained 15% over the last 30 days, though it is trading back below the recent high of $53.86 per share. The news flow and trading activity have caught the attention of Wall Street pros, and Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking tool, has identified 511 requests for information on the company over the last 30 days. Those searches have been made by 182 individual institutional investors, which makes NXT Energy Solutions the 6th most searched for OTC ticker in the Trackstar IQ database over the last 30 days. NXT Energy Solutions is interesting because its technology straddles the search for both fossil fuels and renewable sources of energy. And it could perhaps even provide a conduit for companies that are currently prospecting for oil and gas to move into exploration for more environmentally friendly and sustainable energy sources. That seems enough of a reason for the stock to find a home on our watch lists. To find out more about our Trackstar IQ data, sign up for our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/Trackstar. Small and micro-cap stocks can be high-risk investments, so before you make any investment decisions, please ensure you do your own due diligence.